Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well. Student, this is EVS class. Today we are going to learn water we drink. Students, water is very important to us. Human being, animal and plants, they cannot survive without water. That means water is very important for everyone. Student, look at the picture. Yes, you recognize this is water. How is it, student? This is tasteless, colorless, odorless and transparent. Students, in this chapter we discuss source of water, forms of water, water cycle, water pollution and water supply. So let's read the chapter. Water is present in abundance on the earth. Abundance में ज़्यादा, अर्थ में सबसे ज़्यादा वाटर की मात्रा पाई जाती है. Our earth is also known as the blue planet because 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. We use water for many purposes like bathing, washing and cleaning. Water also helps us in digesting food. Yes, it's very important for our body because what we eat without water, our food is never digest. So it's a very helpful for our body also. We use water by generating electricity and transportation. Plants and animals cannot survive without water. Students, here looking at the picture given below, first one, bathing, drinking, cooking, watering plants. Now come to the next topic, source of water. Sources means found. So the place where water is available, that place is called water resources. Children, we get water from rain. Rain is a main source of water and other resources are river, lake, ocean, pond and sea. These are the natural resources of water. But we also get water from tube well and wells, which are artificial sources of water. Water supplied by municipality reaches our home through pipes. In villages, women walk long distance to collect water from wells and other water sources. Water for everyone. Water is basic necessity for everyone. In some places, discrimination is done and people belonging to poor families are not allowed to take water from water sources. Such things and activities should be stopped. Look at picture and identify the sources of water. Ocean, well and pond. These are the picture of sources of water. Next topic is our forms of water. There are 3 forms of water. The forms are liquid, solid and gas. Water is a form interchangeable. It comes solid and liquid and also a water vapor. Let's see the example. In summer season, we put water in the ice tray and keep in the freezer. It freezes to form ice. Ice is hard and solid form of water. The water we drink is liquid. When water is boiled, it changes into steam or water vapor, which is a gaseous form of water. The picture given below show water in all its three forms. First is solid form, second is liquid form, and the other is gas form. Now students, another video we discuss some other topics. Now it's over our EVS class. Whatever is doubt, please share with me. Thank you, and read the chapter again.